Hello and welcome back to the Neon Dragon. This is, I'm pretty sure it's part 4 to our week 1 Scratch tutorial. And so what we did in the last episode is we got these walls. And they were brown, but make sure that you've got them black now. And what we're going to do really quickly is, for the goal, you want to edit this thing, the costume, and you want to make it a pure green. So just all green. Don't know how I'm going to do that, but just like that, so that you've got it like that. And the outside, you probably want to do it to that as well. Hold on. Try to get just the outside like that. Oh, I'll just have it like that. So you've got him just like that, and I'm just going to make him a little bigger. But what I want him to do is, I want him to go, I want him to go back one layer. And what we also did is, with him, we made him, when he touches these, he'll go back here. And that was just forever. If touching color black, he'll teleport to there, which is go back to here. And we also have him, we have these on the front. Yes, these, all the walls need to have go to front on them. And what quickly I also did is, when his patrolling, which we did in the, I think it was in the second episode, is he went to here and then he went through the walls. But now if I play the game, you'll see I set up a new patrolling place for him. So yeah, you can do that easily just by going into his scripts and just changing where you want him to be. And also for these ones that are going down on the sides, you want to have it at 0.70, 0.75 or 0.5. I'll probably go at 0.5. 0.5 and play that, and it should be much smoother. Yeah, that's much better. Quite hard. Alright, so now what we're going to have is, we're going to have it that when you touch the ball, you will lose a life. So what we'll have is, we'll create a new variable and we'll call it lives. And yeah, just have it at lives, and you want it to be as a normal readout or large readout. Just have it as a large readout. And so now we got that. Now what we have is, what color is the outside of him? Edit. The outside, we'll need to paint him. And let's give him a dark blue outside. It can be a dark blue ball. And now what we'll have is, we'll need that and a forever, and then you're going to get an if, and then you're going to get touching color, and then you want to get that blue from there. Actually no, what I want to do is just touching enemy, and make sure that it's set on enemy. Then what you want to do is, you want to go change lives by 1. -1 actually. -1. And here we'll have, at the start, we'll put that there, set lives to, let's give him 3 lives. So now we have 3 lives. He's saying I am the player, and if we touch him, our lives go down quite a bit. To stop that, what we'll need is a wait. Hold on. Wait. 0. Hold on, if I can get onto this. Stop. Change the weight to 0.5. and then we'll set it there. But first you want him to go to where he is. So go to, hold on, there. So now what happens if we touch him? There we go, and we're on 2 lives now. Let's try to get around. Ooh, ow, 1 life now. We can run for it. No, and I'm on 0 lives, except we haven't got a death screen yet, so let's do that right now. Make sure that you've got the background selected by either coming down here or double clicking the stage, and you want to go to backgrounds, and let's paint a background. Just give it a dark purple, and we'll give it some text. More, let's get a good front row size 48. Say you lose. And you want it to be right in the middle. Make it larger. Make it 120. Nope, don't make it 120. 72. There we go. Actually, we'll try one more size up. 96. No, because I don't really want it to be on a lean, so we'll just go 72 for now. Let's change it to color red. Change the screen. I don't like the color of the screen. Make it a very dark green. Ugh, that's pretty ugly. Let's try an orange. That looks nice. Now we can move that. And there we go. Use. Just want to try a different font. Nope. Nope. Ah, nope. Yes. Right, so I have got a Haroni. And then I want to get that. Have it the color white. And put it there. So now we've got that. So for the scripts here, we want to have when I receive, nope, when start clicked, forever if, and then we want to get this here, which is in operators, and it's the equals one, and we want to put that in there. And then we want to come to here and get lives and put it into there and have lives equal 0. And then we want to do in here, we want to put it to broadcast something so that it gets it, so that all the sprites get that he's got 0 lives. So we'll have broadcast and a new broadcast called, just call it death, because he's died. So he's broadcast death. And then we want to have that again. Actually no, we don't want that. We want when I receive death, switch to the background, and we want it background 1, which we're going to call you lose. You lose. And make sure that this has been changed to you lose. So when I receive death, switch to background you lose. When start flag clicked, forever if lives equal to 0, it'll broadcast death. So let's try that. Oops. What we need to have is when that clicked, we want switch to background floor. So it'll start on the floor. So let's try to get around. Oop, died once, died twice. I'm thinking we're gonna have to slow this guy down quite a bit. Got around him there. Ooh, and I died. So it switches to the background you lose. But now we need all the others to get that, so that he's still not going around and you can't still move. And these walls on here. So stop it and play it again. And now we want to go to enemy control. When I receive death, then we want to go to this and go hide. And then we'll go that to all of them. So just hover over them and give them that. So guys, thanks for watching this. In the next episode we'll do how to get more levels and stuff. Bye.